Hi, I'm Steve Cooter with United Static Control Products. I'm the Director of Engineering with United, and I just got back from getting a nice hot cup of coffee. I walked across my office carpeting out there, which is gorgeous stuff, and I came back into my lab. Now I probably have a significant amount of static on me right now, but I'm standing on this ESD mat, which is placed on top of FAA ESD carpeting like they use in control rooms, so theoretically I shouldn't have any on me, right? The problem is I'm wearing tennis shoes today, and it takes quite a while for that charge to go through my tennis shoes and go to ground. I want to show you something that's kind of interesting. I'm going to touch my phone, and this is a good reason that management likes me as much as they do. I go through a lot of phones. As you can see, I'll leave a distinct mark where the static blazes right through the LCD. Now I'm going to touch my ElectraMouse mouse pad with my arm, and basically it's draining me, and I'm going to pull that charge back out of it. It's cool. Alright, static electricity can devastate computers. The ElectraMouse mouse pad is easy to install. Let's take a look at one of them. Okay, quite easy. They have a nice smooth rolling surface. Alright, they're terminated with a number 10 ring terminal that looks like this. To ground them, the easiest way is to go ahead and attach it to an AC, the center screw of an AC faceplate cover, just like that. You just remove the screw, place it through the eyelet, and screw it back in. Now if you have butterfingers like I do, as you can tell by the way I'm shooting this video, you can cover this with some tape so you don't stick your screwdriver in there. That's a good way to go. Another easy way to ground it. If you have a 3-prong outlet like this, okay, any 3-prong outlet will do. Could be the one that your computer is attached to or whatever. You just slip the ring terminal around that 3rd prong, and you can see it's not going to come into contact with any power or anything like that, and then you just plug it back in the wall, you're good to go. You can also take the ring terminal and attach it to any grounded object, and it'll do the same thing. It'll drain that charge in 0.2 seconds. As I answer tech calls all day long, I thought I'd share a few of what comes through. People call up and they say, Steve, I've fried my PC. I have these weird little glitches. Static seems to compromise data and video exchanges. It shuts down our server, blows our headsets. I feel a static discharge from my headset to my ear. Ouch. Crackles in my headphones. And worst, it provides bad hair days. Thanks for stopping by United Static Control Products and seeing our little off-the-cuff videos, and wishing you the best.